in our time offline and off recorded speech, as so wonderfully happens sometimes, we got into a good conversation, and you mentioned the word refugia. Can you share what that is for our audience here and how that has meaning to the conversation on climate crisis?
Yeah, refugia is an ecological concept that talks about when there's been great devastation, like maybe Mount St. Helens, volcano, fire, destruction, terrible, everything like that. That you can look at it and think life will not come back to here for decades. But in fact, you'll find just a few years later that life is coming back, but it's coming back in pockets. So here's a place where there was a rock sheltering, things, and so the seeds of the plants did not die there, and they're germinating already. There's little places and little pockets that were more sheltered than others, and that's where life starts to come back. And then eventually the whole area, the whole ecosystem may be coming back to life quicker than you thought of, because there was those pockets that you didn't take into account. And I recommend Deborah Reenstra's book Refugia Faith, which talks about how the church is to be this kind of this function in the world, especially in the wreckage of climate change. If there are pockets of community care, if there are pockets of hope and perseverance, pockets that are really looking for God in the ruins, that we can help everything uh, hold on to life and come back to life in really important ways.